Hello and welcome to this introductory video presenting Haulier Magic, the future of Proteo Limited. Back in 2020, Proteo took the decision to start looking at the long-term strategic plan for our TMS product and the support thereof. It was decided to rebuild the platform in line with advancements in cloud-based technology and development practices over the last 10 years. During 2021, we will be releasing various teaser videos on our progress, with the end goal of launching a fully functional system in 2022, built with the feedback and input from all our customers. Built for the cloud, we are using leading-edge Amazon Web Services systems and technology available to us to build Haulier Magic. With a fresh UI based on the Angular framework and advancements in responsive UI design, the system will be more streamlined and easy to follow, along with a full enterprise-class backend based on tried and tested industry standards, built on Java and Spring Boot. Built with the database foundation of Amazon RDS and MySQL, this system supports automatic scaling of database performance based on demand and growth. And now with a search layer on top of the UI, any searching performed in the system, be it on drop-downs or data grids, run in the Elasticsearch engine and not directly on the database, further increasing system performance. Developed with continuous integration and delivery, as well as test-driven development practices, code is shipped and monitored for bugs automatically before allowing automatic updates to your system. Haulier Magic is a cloud-based SaaS product, and it is built with AWS in mind, as well as continuous integration. So as code is written by our developers, it is automatically deployed with almost no human intervention. It ensures that every single client's version is identical, apart from their data. Each client has their own separate database, but the entire code base as well as the APIs and everything are all identical. Any custom work that is done for you will be done on an ad hoc basis, and the idea is that eventually 99% of the features that are in Proteo Enterprise currently will end up in Haulier Magic. You can see down the side here we have a nice menu structure. You can collapse it out the way. It's a very new user interface. It's a bit different to how you guys are used to working on the existing Proteo Enterprise. But we've broken it up into nice sections. You've got organization management with all of the usual stuff that you guys are used to seeing: exchange rates, service levels, goods types. One of the things that we've added to the system that's new is the fact that now we don't just support pallets. We now allow for liquid bulk, finished vehicle logistics, pallet force, pallets, full loads with weight, or dry bulk, and normal pallets, which I will show you in a few minutes. First section is your all orders page. The all orders is sort of the same as the find orders page in Proteo Enterprise. It's designed to be a central point for searching for all orders that have been or will be delivered, and it allows you to export the entire result set to a spreadsheet if you'd like, which it will download into CSV format. It's nice and fast. It also allows you to build loads straight from the screen. An interesting fact about the system is we have an entire search engine built that sits behind the system that does not touch the database. So when you are searching for data here, it is not actually searching the database, it is searching a copy of the data inside of a search engine. It makes it extremely fast and lessens the load on the database, so the system is always responsive. Building a load is pretty easy. You can filter this list to only show you orders that haven't been planned. As you can see with your usual date ranges, you can search for orders that need collections planning or have been collected and need their deliveries planning. It will support cross-docking. Over here I have 3 orders that I've prepared for the meeting today that show you how it filters out the data. You can view the orders. There's a view version, or you can edit them. And as you can see with this order screen, it's a bit different to what you guys are used to. It's a lot cleaner. You've got your collection area here as well as your deliver point. You can edit your locations. You can create a new point or edit the current point. It's very smooth. You can also download PDF copies of orders, as you can see. Obviously, we haven't set up any templates yet, but these will be customizable per customer. Planning orders is pretty simple. You can select multiple orders down the left-hand side over here, and they appear on the load builder. The load builder can be collapsed out of the way. If you wanted to add cross-docking, you can obviously have the collections for planning window, and it adds your pickup point drop-downs. So you can decide to deliver this to a point. Again, all of the searching on drop-downs and done is done on the back of the search engine, which is built with something called Elasticsearch. So I'm going to build this run. All of these orders on it. All the orders that were available for planning have now fallen off the list, so it makes it really easy to figure out what you've got left to plan in the date range that you're looking at. You can then go to the run screen. It shows you all runs that are currently in progress, and the run that I've just created now is listed at the end over here. There's built-in column sorting. You can delete and change your display settings. On all of these grids, there will be a display setting that allows you to choose which fields you can and can't see. Let's open the run. Very similar to what we used to have, except different at the same time. You can now collapse different sections of the orders, of the loads. This load has been automatically planned based on the orders that we had on it. A new feature that you haven't had before is the ability to add a starting leg before and after any leg that's in the system. This will also open the possibility for you to be able to add start and end legs from your depots on each run, so you can set a start location being your depot and an end location being your depot or truck stop at the night. It's up to you. So we hit apply, and it's now added my initial leg from Pretoria Home Depot to the first stop on my run. Again, you can drag and drop and move these around if you want to. Now you can actually drag these around if you like, instead of having to click the little arrows that move points up and down. It makes it a lot easier. The usual resourcing capabilities are in here, so you can now resource the entire run. You can pick a driver, so I'm going to pick Mr. Knights Kumar and hit apply, and that run has now been resourced. Subcontracting, again, that will be allowed. You can also communicate the entire run or just the leg. And that's where we're going to leave it for today. In the next video, I'll show you the traffic sheet, as well as features like tour planning and map-based planning. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.